What's up, guys? Today is going to be a little bit different. Today I'm just going to be sharing with you guys my little page here. As you guys can see, it's a full page. I finally completed it, so I decided I'm just going to share. This is the Hall of Fame page. I'm going to share who I have so far. So first we got Randall McDaniel, the signed TTM. These are all TTM cards. Anthony Munoz, he inscribed at Hall of Fame 91. Gino Marchetti, Colts player from back in the day. Joe Schmidt, Harry Carson, and then A.N.S. Williams. And he's got two me personalized, and then he's got Romans 10:9, I believe. Moving on, White A. Tittle, one of my more favorite cards, just because older player, kind of legend, so to speak. Dermontti Dawson, I believe I sent with a donation to him. Andre Reed, Raymond Berry. I had a fun correspondence with him, kind of back and forth. We wrote each other for a little bit. Jim Langer, Dolphins. Larry Little, another Dolphin. Moving over, Terry Bradshaw. I was surprised to get that back. Charlie Joyner. Ozzie Newsome, I believe his is a stamp that he uses. Charlie Trippy. Marv Levy, Hall of Fame '01. And then a Bill Parcells. Unfortunately, he signed with a pen, kind of hard to see, but it is there. Moving on, Jackie Smith, Dan Fouts, kind of hard to see that one too, but it's there at the bottom. Tom Mack, I also had a good little talk with him, kind of back and forth for a little bit. James Lofton, this is one of my first TTM returns. Billy Shaw, Hall of Fame '99. Gale Sayers, this is pretty sweet Gale Sayers card. I was happy to get it. I did send with a donation for that one as well. And moving on, Herb Adderley. Took a while, but I got it back, and I am kind of happy with it. Like I was just saying, the 26 is kind of random. Different color ink. Jersey number, yeah, but that was kind of interesting. Dan Rooney. I wrote him a letter, and this is the card that he sent back. Signed it in pen, which is kind of a bummer, but Hall of Famer nonetheless. Jan Stenrud. Got him. Jim Otto. Inscribed with 00. Willie Rofe. And Bob Greasy. So I know there's lots of other players that do TTMs, especially Hall of Famers. I am definitely missing some. If you know any and have an address that would be able to help me add to my collection here, I would be more than happy to get it. So that is all I have for you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Till next time.